Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a gingerbread man. Let's start off by drawing a big round shape for the head. Then, a long U shape going out to the left for an arm that turns down a bit for the body. Mirror that on the other side for the other arm. From this end here, extend it down to the left, add a small bump on the bottom for the foot, and turn back up to the body like so. Mirror that again on the other side for the other leg. Now we can decorate our gingerbread man. I'm going to add a few wavy lines on the arms and legs to make it look like he's wearing clothes. Then, I'm going to add a little bow tie here on the neck and 3 small circles down the middle for some buttons. On the head, let's draw 2 circles for the eyes and 2 curved ovals above for the eyebrows. Next, add a wide U shape underneath for a big smile. Lastly, to add some more detail, draw some groups of really small dots here and there for the gingerbread texture. Remember, your gingerbread man doesn't have to match exactly. Experiment with different shapes and designs to make one unique to you. And now you got a gingerbread man. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.